Welcome my viewers and friends. Today my video title is Wig Startups, a new hots in the beauty industry. Top 6 most expensive human hair wigs in the world. The ancient Egyptians created and invented the first wig to shield shaved, hairless heads from the sun. Virgin hair is the most expensive type of human hair weave. On the high end, businesses selling custom wigs can bring in over $10,000 per month in revenue. Human hair wigs last longer. The more you spend, the better quality of wig you will get. The global hair wigs and extensions market size valued at $6.13 billion. Synthetic wigs are better to wear during the summer months. Here are top 6 most expensive human hair wigs in the world. 6. Barbara Streisand wig, $3,840. This shoulder-length deep blonde wig, cut in a bob and made of human hair, was worn by Barbara Streisand in the film On a Clear Day You Can See Forever, 1970. The stylists at Paramount Productions created the wig out of blonde human hair. 5. Audrey Hepburn wig, $6,400. Audrey Hepburn wore this wig in the 1959 MGM picture Green Mansions. MGM custom made this wig to fit Audrey's hairline and head. 4. Andy Warhol wig, $10,800. Andy Warhol wig created by the Italian stylist Paul Bocciccio. In 2006, one of these wigs was sold at a Christie's auction in New York. It was the most expensive wig ever sold at the time, selling for $10,800. 3. Elizabeth Taylor wig, $16,000. This wig is important to the classic epic, with its trademark dark brown hair, gold beads, and intricate braids. Stanley Hall's star-studded career culminated with this amazing wig for model superstar Taylor's shining moment, which went on to sell for $16,000 to a proud collector. 2. Marilyn Monroe wig, $29,900. The wig was created by Max Factor Studios' hair creations division and was made from actual human hair sewed to a net. The hair is shoulder length, curly, and has a matching hairpiece that adds ringlets to the wig's volume. 1. Michael Jackson wig, $75,000. It sold for about $75,000. The wig is custom crafted for Michael by USA cap weaver and is constructed of medium-length black human hair with lace in the front. Wigs have been a part of fashion and beauty for centuries. However, with the advent of new technologies and innovative approaches, the world of wigs has undergone a revolution in recent years. This has led to a new wave of startups focused on creating high-quality wigs that look and feel natural while also being affordable and accessible to a wide range of consumers. In this video, we will explore some of the most exciting and promising wig startups of 2023. Whether you're looking for a wig for fashion, medical reasons, or simply to change up your look, these startups have something to offer. Join us as we delve into the world of wig startups and discover the future of hair wigs.